Sitting ABS workout for six-pack. Are you ready? Let's do it. Exercise number 1, band straight back seated row. Instructions: attach a resistance band to a fixed point, sit with legs extended, and pull the band toward your chest. Engage your core. Benefits: targets the upper and lower abs, enhancing core stability and strength, crucial for achieving a defined six-pack. Exercise number 2, bodyweight wall squat. Instructions: sit against a wall with knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Hold the position, engaging your abs throughout. Benefits: works the entire abdominal region, promoting endurance and toning for a sculpted six-pack appearance. Exercise number 3, Russian twist. Instructions: sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist your torso from side to side, engaging your core. Benefits: intensely engages the obliques, aiding in the development of a well-defined and symmetrical six-pack. Exercise number 4, sit up on exercise ball. Instructions: sit on an exercise ball, roll back, and perform sit-ups while maintaining balance. Benefits: enhances overall core strength, focusing on the rectus abdominis, the key muscle for a visible six-pack. Exercise number 5, ceiling look stretch. Instructions: sit upright, look towards the ceiling, and extend your arms overhead, feeling a stretch in your abs. Benefits: promotes flexibility and elongates the abdominal muscles, contributing to a sleek appearance in your midsection. Exercise number 6, seated lower back stretch. Instructions: sit with legs extended, reach forward to touch your toes, stretching the lower back and abs. Benefits: relieves tension in the lower back while targeting the lower abs, promoting a well-defined six-pack. Exercise number 7, seated wide angle pose sequence. Instructions: sit with legs wide apart, reach to one side, then the other, engaging your core throughout the sequence. Benefits: targets the entire abdominal area, promoting flexibility and strength for a well-balanced six-pack. Exercise number 8, sitting bent over back stretch. Instructions: sit, bend forward, reaching hands towards the floor, stretching the lower back and abs. Benefits: stretches the entire abdominal region, promoting flexibility and relieving tension for a leaner appearance. Remember, the path to a six-pack starts with the first seated rep. Subscribe for more cheerful fitness adventures, and let's sculpt those abs together. Stay fit, stay fabulous.